Hello and welcome. Now, the Gutenberg editor has a way for you to be able to add both quotes and pull quotes to your WordPress site. And all you'll need to do is to go into the add block. You'll need to type in quotes or pull quote. Now, in this case, we're going to first look at the quote element. What you're going to do first is you're going to write in what the quotation is, and then you'll write in the citation however you want to state it. And naturally, once you have your content in, you can control the style of the block. You can make it large, you can make it regular, and then you can also add in advanced coding. You can then preview the quote, and you'll be able to see the quote on your actual site. What you can also add is a pull quote. So in this case, we're going to click the add block, and then we're going to write in pull. You'll see pull quote. And then what we're going to do is much the same. We're going to write in a quote here, and then we're going to write in the citation. Now, since the pull quote is really designed to be more visual, you can make changes to it, and you can add in different elements of emphasis. You can control this in the pull quote properties. You can also change the style. You can make it a solid color or regular color. And that is how you use both quotes and pull quotes on your WordPress site. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.